Welcome to the Advanced Component Level Control Solution MRO System Setting tutorial. Open the iCloud app on your mobile device. Enter your account and password. Check the user agreement below. Click Login. After logging in, click on Personal at the bottom. Find Guides and Tools in the list and click to enter. Locate the Solution MRO section. Click View Details to enter the Solution MRO Master Installation Guide page. Create Plant. Click System Setting. In the drop-down menu, click Create Plant. Enter the plant management page. Click New Site to begin the setup process. Follow the prompts. Fill in the basic site information, financial information, and contact information. Click Bind Control Device to enter the data controller binding page. Click Scan to add device. Scan the SN QR code on the side of the data control box. The SN number will automatically fill in the input field below. Verify that it matches the actual SN number, then click Confirm. The device will be added to the pending binding list. Repeat these steps to add all data controllers for the site. Click Confirm Binding. All scan devices will now be successfully bound to this site. Return to Site Management. You will see a list of Create Plant. Each plant has two buttons on the right. Click Edit to modify the site information. Click Devices to add new devices or delete existing ones under this site. At this point, the new site setup is complete. Wi-Fi configuration. In the Solution MRO Installation Guide, click System Setting. In the drop-down menu, click Wi-Fi Configuration. Enter the Wi-Fi configuration page. Select the site you are configuring from the drop-down menu. In the device list, click on the data controller you need to configure. Remember the SN number of this data controller. Click the Connect button at the top. From the automatically displayed System Wi-Fi list, select the Wi-Fi network with the same name as the SN number. After successfully connecting, return to the iCloud app. Step 2. Enter the router Wi-Fi account and password. Click to configure and wait patiently for the connection. Once the connection is successful, the device's Wi-Fi connectivity is complete. Repeat the above steps for all bound data controllers under this site to complete the Wi-Fi connectivity process. Device networking. In the Solution Master Installation Guide, click System Setting. In the drop-down menu, click Device Networking. Enter the device networking page. Select the site that requires networking from the drop-down menu. In the device list, select and click the data controller that needs networking. Choose the string and click Add Device. Enter the microcontroller binding page. Click Scan to add a microcontroller device. Scan the SN QR code of the microcontroller. The SN number will automatically fill in the input field below. Verify that it matches the actual SN number, then click Confirm. The device will be added to the Added and Pending Binding Devices list. Repeat this step to add all microcontrollers in the string to the list. After adding, click Confirm Binding. Follow these steps to bind all microcontrollers under each string of this data controller. Click the Scan button to replace a single microcontroller. Click the Delete button to remove a single microcontroller. Long press a microcontroller to drag and adjust its order in the list. Click Layout Preview to confirm the device count and SN numbers match the physical layout. Click Start Networking. If the project has multiple data controllers, click Configure Other Data Controllers. Once all data controllers under this site have started networking, return and refresh the device networking page. Wait patiently for the data controllers to display a networking successful message. Activate Plant. In the Solution MRO Installation Guide, click Activate Plant. In the drop-down menu, click Activate Plant. Enter the Activate Plant page. Select the site you want to start from the drop-down menu. Click the Open button. Select the data controllers to start. Click Confirm Activation. If all data controllers under this site start successfully, click Enter Plant to view details. Deactivate Plant. In the Solution MRO Installation Guide, click Activate Plant. In the drop-down menu, click Deactivate Plant. Enter this Deactivate Plant page. Select the site you want to stop from the drop-down menu. Click Close button. Select the data controllers to stop. Click Confirm Close. If all data controllers under this site stop successfully, Click Enter Plant to view details. At this point, the system debugging and configuration for the MR Solution MRO is complete.